Charming 3-bedroom Cape Cod. Updated kitchen. Plenty of counter space for prep work. Stainless steel appliances. Open to dining room. Dining area with a large picture window and lots of natural light. Spacious living room with gleaming hardwood floors. Classic built-in corner cabinet. Master suite on the second floor. Ample storage space under the eaves. Dormer provides higher ceilings. Cedar walk-in closet in the master bedroom. Built-in shelves. Master bath offers a double vanity and lots of storage space. Den on the second floor. Can function in several different ways. Just use your imagination. Blue bedroom on first floor. Maroon bedroom on first floor. First floor full bath. Vanity in the first floor bath. Lower level playroom with egress window. And built-in shelves for storage. Spacious large deck. For entertaining and summer fun. Large flat backyard.